What's up, guys? Welcome on my it's your girl with another video. Okay, so I told you guys in my last short that I lost my SD card. I know I lost it somewhere in here, or I think I put it in the trash when I was cleaning up the other day, but I have not been able to find it, which means that when I'm in the next clip, I'm at the water park, it's not going to show when I had the GoPro on my head and I went down the slides. It's not going to show any of that. And then for some reason, I don't know what happened to my intro, like, okay, now I'm going to this place, I'm going to this place. I don't know what happened, but I don't have them. So you're just gonna have to rock with what you got, because I really did a whole day worth of vlogging and half of it I don't have. So I'm running with what I got from my Canon camera, but other than that, you're not gonna see certain things, so just bear with me. And as of right now, I'm apartment hunting again. I have exactly 5 weeks to move out. I have to be out, well, I'm trying to be out by June 2nd, so I've already started my apartment hunting, but the prices are ridiculous. Anyways, we're gonna make it, we're gonna be okay, because I did it last year. I found this place the day before I flew back to Virginia, the day before, signed and everything, the day before. I've been lucky. So hopefully I can find something though, because all right, just enjoy this vlog, okay? Just enjoy this vlog. And until next time, don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, Jennifer Data, my TikTok, Tish_Duet Queen. I have 57K followers over there. So come join the madness. If you like me over here, you'll love me over there. Going. Yeah.
Oh, it's on first day.
Me and my friend. What? You can be on camera, right?
All
right.
I'm not gonna tell you to delete it. Oh.
No, it's Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce. All right, y'all. So.
Yeah.
I was trying to look at the name to see what this place is called.
Yeah.
And I still don't remember.
It's a long name.
Something Cove.
It's right there, little,
I can't see that.
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool. I wonder if this is like a YMCA type thing. It better not be. All right. Ooh. Oh. It is the Cove at Lakefront. Y'all, my crepe look funny. My crepe look like this. She got a waffle, whatever. My crepe's supposed to be flat. I don't want it like this. I'm still gonna eat it though. If I really knew, I would have just told them to leave it flat. Yeah, I'll take it, thank you. So, well, at least I can eat it in the car. Oh, we're in like the marketplace. H-Mart, M-Mart, H-Mart. So, there's a good street. Nigga must think I want him in my video. So now we're gonna go get dinner after we go home and get dressed. H-Mart, that's what it's called. So it was in the H-Mart store. So, but yeah, do you like yours, Alice?
Yeah.
She likes hers. So, but she didn't get crepe. She got a bubble waffle. I should have got that. Shit. Okay. So I hated it. I don't know. That's what it looks like. I didn't like it rolled up, and it has like a different texture than when it's flat, like I usually get it. So I won't be going back. I might, if I do come back, I'll try the waffle thing. She ate hers. I don't like it, but ew, the texture was weird in my mouth. Yuck, I don't like it. But so now we're gonna go home, get ready, and then go find some dinner somewhere. So yeah,
You can get a crepe maker.
yeah. Okay, I'm back in my apartment. I am so tired. We were just like, dang, do we want to go out or do we want to take a nap? But but I'm going to shower real quick, do my makeup, might do it on camera, I'm not sure, because it's not gonna be like anyways, I'm still trying to see if I'm gonna take a nap or just go to bed. And you know what, it's 6 o'clock, 6:02 on the dot. But I told her I wanted to start my day early since I'm only off on Sundays. So we started at like 2 and we were in water, so I think it made us a little bit tired. But all right, so I'm gonna go shower and get ready. Okay, I'm done. Too much wind going on. Yeah, so I'm done. I put my little fake nose ring in. Yep, so that was the fit. Probably gonna do a better shot of the fit for sure. But the place is only 5 minutes from me, 9 minutes from my friend, so yeah. And it's a Mexican place. Ooh. Let me show y'all. All right, time to go. Okay, so we're here. Okay. This, you can go. Oh, wait, Alice, please. I'm trying. And I hope you know I'm leaving that in there. Thank you. How you doing? Fine, how are you? Gosh, you know I've been wanting one of these chairs. Okay, this is cute. Thank you. On a date, kind of nervous. What'd you say?
I said these are soft, nice chairs. Tell them it's pork rinds. Tell me I have pork rinds.
Huh?
Tell them it's pork rinds.
That is pork grinds. Model it for them. This is what the menu looks like. She said the chips is the size of our face. Oh, I can't even have the music on too long because it's copyrighted. Neither of us are eating this one.
Why?
We both was just swinging it around.
Clip that part that you had.
You got some nerve. I do not want this. But so we're having a good time. This is nice and chill after a long day. Dang, we really be out here with each other, like we together.
You don't got no man.
And everywhere we go, they be like, y'all sisters. No, we just
nothing
funny.
like-
Right? It's because we're funny. So, but yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna wait till the food come out.
Thank you.
So this is supposed to be my polo something chicken fajita with soup.
Throw spice in it.
My flour tortillas and whatever she got. I ain't never seen no fajitas look so unseasoned. I'm not even being funny. I'm not being funny, but I'm really gonna hope that it's good. I'm also used to it being cut up smaller, like the chicken being cut up, but like I'm not being funny. Not even black pepper, and I don't even like black pepper, is on the onions. Fingers crossed that it's good. Fingers crossed. They won't know if it's not. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm just wanna come back. Okay guys, I'm back home. I can say that the meal was good. I finished it. Like I said, it didn't have no seasoning, but when you put it all together, it was really good. I'm not gonna lie. The meat, it was like on something with a little bit of seasoning, but like you couldn't see it. The vegetables, they weren't, but with everything added to it, it was really good. I'm really full. Now I'm going to get myself together and go to bed because I have my internship in the morning, but at least I gave you guys a full day of vlog. Don't forget, no, a full day of content. So went to the water park, went for a little snack, had dinner. You guys have seen enough. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish. Okay, just tell a friend to come over to Everything Tish. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.